Want to convert PDF to editable Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, or need to edit, split or compress PDF file? If yes, this video is for you. Hey folks, Max Vakil from WM Originals, and today I wanna show you all the best free online PDF editor that can help you in edit, convert and compress PDF for free. The best thing is that you can use it online on your computer or in your mobile as well. So watch this video full to know all about best free online PDF editor. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So now let's begin to know how to convert, edit and compress PDF for free, and for this we will be using Lite PDF. With Lite PDF we can easily edit, convert, sign and annotate PDFs on cloud. Best thing about having it on cloud, we can easily share and collaborate on PDFs. It gives us more flexibility on working with our PDF documents from anywhere, and as it is available for desktop and mobile as well, we can easily sync our documents and access it from anywhere we want to. Is not that fantastic? Here are all Lite PDF tools that we can use for free. We can convert PDF to Word, PPT, Excel, text, PNG and JPG. What more? We can also convert Word, PDF, Excel, PNG and JPG to PDF file as well. Can use edit PDF tools like add watermark to PDF, split PDF, merge and annotate PDF. Can also optimize PDF by compress and OCR. Not only this, Lite PDF helps us with PDF security as well. We can protect, unlock and sign PDF also. The best thing is that we can use all these for free. Wow, is not that fantastic? Let's try it and see how to use Lite PDF. But before we start using Lite PDF, I will recommend you to create an account, as it helps you to sync all your data across devices. Click on login. If you already have Lite PDF account, you can log in by entering your credentials, or you can use any of these social media accounts to log in. Can also sign up by clicking on this. Once you are done with setting up your free Lite PDF account, let's know how to convert PDF to Word. Now we are back on official website. Click on PDF to Word. Here it opens up PDF to Word converter. Now here you can simply upload your PDF file by clicking on this, or can also download app to convert PDF using Lite PDF converter software on your desktop itself. Well, we will use it online for now, and to convert a PDF file, click on this. It opens up file picker. Browse through to select a PDF file. Let's select this PDF file to convert it to Word document. Once uploaded, click on convert. Conversion starts and it is done in blink of an eye. That's cool. Now we can download our converted Word document by clicking on download. Once download completes, we can open Word document and can also make edits to it. So friends, that's how easily you can also convert PDF to Word for free using Lite PDF. Well, not only this, we can also edit and compress PDF using Lite PDF. So now let's know how to compress PDF file size for free. Go to PDF tools and click on compress PDF. Now here we can simply upload our PDF document to compress it. Here I have a PDF file and you can see its size. It is 2.63 MB. Now let's compress it using Lite PDF. Click on this to browse through to pick PDF file. Once done, it is available to download. Click on download. Once done, let's first preview it. See, there is no difference in the quality of PDF. Now let me show you the size of compressed file. Wow, from 2+ MB file to just few KB. Just awesome. This is how easily you can also compress PDF file size in mobile, laptop or online using Lite PDF for free. There is so much more we can do with Lite PDF for free, and that is why I term it as the best online PDF editor. Plus it is also available for Windows and mobile as well. Just fantastic. Wanna try? Find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also, share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.